Hello, I'm Dr. Davey Alleman. Thanks to everyone who has been tuning into this podcast so far. I've enjoyed sharing the stories from my career, the history of adhesive dentistry, and what is possible if we listen to the science. The podcast is just the first step in your biomimetic journey. To understand these concepts to the level that allows you to use them in practice in cases every day requires long-term training and mentoring. That's why I've created the Biomimetic Mastership to teach the 6 lessons approach to biomimetic dentistry. The Biomimetic Mastership is taught by myself, my son, Dr. Davey Alleman, and the Alleman Center mentors, Dr. Dafina Doberdoli and Dr. Dave Wold. We teach these live Zoom lectures and we analyze the published literature from my library. We discuss questions and cases in class and in WhatsApp groups every day and guide you through the protocols during the one-on-one meetings. We teach everything you need to know for each step in the biomimetic restoration in this one program. We would love to have you join us. View more information, register at the Alleman Center website, allemancenter.com/mastership, or with the link in this episode description. Study with me and my team and learn the practice of biomimetic dentistry at the highest level. I look forward to seeing you in class.